Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a thrilling adventure to explore some of the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth. These towering giants are not just stunning natural wonders, they are also powerful forces of nature that can unleash devastation at any moment. From their explosive histories to their current activity levels, we will uncover what makes these volcanoes so formidable and why they remain a focus of scientific research and public concern. One, Yellowstone Caldera, a supervolcano beneath our feet. Our first stop is the Yellowstone Caldera in the United States. Often referred to as a supervolcano, Yellowstone has the potential to erupt with catastrophic consequences. This massive volcanic system sits atop a hotspot that fuels its geothermal features, including geysers like Old Faithful. Eruption history. The last major eruption occurred approximately 640,000 years ago but was so powerful that it spread ash across much of North America. If it were to erupt again today, it could potentially cover large areas in ash and cause widespread destruction. Current status. Scientists closely monitor Yellowstone for signs of activity. The ground is constantly shifting due to geothermal activity, and while an eruption is not imminent, researchers emphasize the importance of preparedness for such an event. Two, Mount Vesuvius, the silent threat to Naples. Next up is Mount Vesuvius in Italy, perhaps one of the most infamous volcanoes in history. Known for its catastrophic eruption in 79 AD that buried the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under volcanic ash, Vesuvius poses a significant threat to modern-day Naples. Eruption history. Vesuvius has erupted over 50 times since its infamous event nearly 2 millennia ago. Its last eruption occurred in 1944. But scientists warn that it remains an active threat due to its proximity to densely populated areas. Current status. With over 3 million residents living nearby, Vesuvius is one of the most closely monitored volcanoes in the world. Researchers use advanced technology to track seismic activity and gas emissions to predict potential eruptions. Three, Popocatépetl, the Smoking Mountain. Traveling south to Mexico, we find Popocatépetl, one of the country's most active volcanoes. Located just 40 miles from Mexico City, Popocatépetl has erupted numerous times over the past few centuries. Eruption history. Popocatépetl's most recent significant eruption occurred in 1994 and has been active ever since. Its eruptions can produce ash clouds that affect air travel and pose health risks to nearby communities. Current status. Authorities maintain a close watch on Popocatépetl's activity through monitoring stations that track seismic movements and gas emissions. Evacuation plans are in place for nearby towns should an eruption become imminent. Four, Mount Merapi, Indonesia's Fire Mountain. Next on our list is Mount Merapi in Indonesia, often referred to as the Fire Mountain. This active stratovolcano is known for its explosive eruptions and pyroclastic flows. Eruption history. Merapi has erupted regularly for centuries, with significant eruptions occurring in 2010 that resulted in hundreds of deaths and extensive damage to surrounding villages. Current status. Merapi remains one of Indonesia's most closely monitored volcanoes due to its frequent activity. Scientists use advanced technology to predict eruptions and provide early warnings to local communities. Five, Mount Nyiragongo, the lava lake giant. Now we travel to Africa's Democratic Republic of Congo to explore Mount Nyiragongo, home to one of the world's largest lava lakes. This shield volcano is notorious for its fast-moving lava flows. Eruption history. Nyiragongo's last major eruption occurred in 2002 when lava flows devastated parts of Goma, a city located nearby. The eruption forced hundreds of thousands from their homes and resulted in significant loss of life. Current status. With its lava lake constantly bubbling away at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Celsius, 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit, Nyiragongo poses an ongoing threat. Scientists continuously monitor its activity using remote sensing technologies. Six, Taal Volcano, a deadly beauty. Next up is Taal Volcano in the Philippines, a picturesque yet dangerous site located just 30 miles from Manila. Despite its beauty, Taal has a history of deadly eruptions. Eruption history. Taal has erupted over 30 times in the last 5 centuries, with significant events causing thousands of fatalities and displacing entire communities. Current status. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology (PHIVOLCS) closely monitors Taal for signs of unrest. Evacuation protocols are established for nearby residents during heightened alert levels. Seven, Galeras Volcano, Colombia's fiery giant. Moving on to Colombia, we encounter Galeras Volcano, one of South America's most active volcanoes known for its frequent eruptions. Eruption history. In 1993, Galeras erupted during a scientific conference held nearby, tragically killing 6 scientists and several tourists who were studying its crater. Eight, Sakurajima, Japan's active volcano. In Japan lies Sakurajima, a highly active volcano that regularly spews ash into the atmosphere. Located near Kagoshima City, it poses a constant threat due to its proximity to urban areas. Eruption history. Sakurajima has erupted frequently since it became active again in 1914. Its eruptions often result in ashfall that disrupts daily life for residents nearby. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of nature's fiery giants. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more fascinating documentaries about our planet's wonders. What do you find most intriguing about these dangerous volcanoes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This script provides an engaging narrative about exploring the world's most dangerous volcanoes, detailing their histories, current statuses, and significance while maintaining an informative tone suitable for a documentary format.